Nope. Missed. Oh, here comes some more. Gotta hurry. Gotta hurry. That's not a dove.
There's one right there.
That's not a dove.
What is it then?
That's a Tweety bird. You can't shoot the Tweety birds.
You get it?
Oh, I missed.
Clay got so many. Clay got 2.
I don't think he got any either.
No, I saw 2 birds falling to the ground.
Did you?
Yes.
Man. Well, Daddy's gonna have to practice, ain't he? Does Daddy need to practice his shooting?
Get him?
Yep.
Can I go get him?
Got him.
Can I go get him?
Hold on.
I saw
Hold
where
on,
he
sit
went.
still.
Dad, I saw where he
I
went.
did too.
You see another one? Get him.
Somewhere. Let's see. Oh, there he is.
Where?
Right there. You gonna grab him?
Yep.
Let me see.
You didn't
All right. It's the first one.
Mm-hmm.
He's low. He's low. Oh, Craig's gonna get it. Oh. You missed him. He's still flying.
Where is he?
He went down there in those trees. Nope, I missed.
What? You get him? You got him. Did you get him? You get him.
Did you shoot at that one? Oh, you got a pigeon. That's like 6 doves.
Did you get one?
No. Nope. That's not good. My gun did not latch on that one. Well, we just ended a pretty good day of dove hunting. We didn't slaughter them, but we had a good time, and we killed about 5, 6 a piece, but we got a little bit of shooting in. It wasn't quite as good as last year. I heard the dove numbers were down in this area. Apparently it was so wet during the breeding season and then so dry whenever, I guess, the chicks were hatching. I think that's what it was, but I don't know if the numbers were down or we had a ton of pigeons, 150 pigeons show up. And every year that they've shown up, It's just been an awful shoot.
All right, so first thing we got to do is take our dove, and we're just going to take our thumbs and pull back the skin and the feathers off the breast. And now, you can do it one of two ways. Probably my favorite way is just to take a knife and just peel out the breast. Missed a little bit right there. But you can just kind of fillet them out almost like you're filleting a fish or taking the back strap off of a deer. You come off real easy. Good sharp knife helps. And then there's your breast. Now the other way is the quicker way, but you've got the bone in. You're going to do the same thing. Take your thumbs, peel back the meat, take your thumb, and just right in there you've got to break it or cut it, and you don't want to mess the meat up. Right in there is where you need to pull. There is your bone in breast right there. And that's all there is to it. Now we're going to do the rest of them, get them cleaned up and ready to cook. Man, got a feathery knife. Stylish.
Got some butter and olive oil in our pan. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add a big old spoonful of garlic in there. That's warming up. Now we've got our dove breasts laid out here. And I'm just gonna add, should lay this out, some Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning on there. Good heavy coating just on one side. I love that stuff, so I like them a little spicy. Alright, that's good to go there. Let our olive oil and garlic heat up here. Oh my gosh, that stuff's strong. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and chop up some onion and put in here. Got a half an onion chopped up and in there. And I got it on medium high right now. I'm going to crank it up just a little bit. Those onions kind of start to cook a little bit, and then we'll throw our dove breast in. Alright, that's time. There we go. So the dove has just a touch of a liver flavor, and nothing better in the world than liver and onions. So that's kind of what I'm doing here. And we're going to let those just kind of cook. We want to get them about a medium well. Don't want to overcook them or they'll be kind of chewy. But these have been actually in the refrigerator for about a week. Same way I do my deer meat. So I bet they're not going to have any gamey flavor whatsoever. Just put them in a Ziploc bag with some paper towel and they look beautiful. Alright, they're getting there. Just flipping them over. And we'll let them cook probably for about 5 minutes. Just to, I'll probably test one. It's been a long time. It's been about a year since I've cooked any dove, but normally a piece of meat, you want to kind of cook these a little bit like liver, a medium rare. Give them a nice little flip. And I got them cut up just about between high and medium high. I like to get a nice little brown on the outside. Alright, onions are starting to get a nice brown. Thanks for there. Now let's give it a try. Get a few onions on there. That's gonna be good. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Long time since I've had dove, and man, I about forgot how much I like it. Tastes just a little bit livery, just as tender. I think putting it in the refrigerator for a week in the Ziploc with the paper towel really helped things out. So that is definitely awesome. You should give it a try. But hope everybody enjoyed the video, and please subscribe if you have already. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.